What you eating?
Subway.
I know, Subway. What's your sandwich called?
I don't know.
Is it good?
Yeah. This is what I'm gonna call it. The masterpiece. The masterpiece. Yeah, that's all.
The masterpiece sandwich.
Yep.
That's your favorite?
The chicken makes it really good.
Chicken teriyaki. Oh, did you get a jalapeno?
Yep.
Ooh.
Not that hot.
You're a gangster with it.
Okay.
OGO triple OG.
Okay, I'm good now.
You good now?
And Jalapenos are hot, kind of.
Jalapenos are hot. You're so extra.
No, that's you over here.
His favorite food, y'all.
You're missing out, Mom.
I'm alright.
No, not.
Being nosy. Silly. Nasty. Licking your hand like that.
It has sauce on it.
So tell us what all you had put on your sandwich.
Let's see. Chicken, jalapeno, mustard, and
Mayonnaise.
green peppers, onions. Did I already say onions? And that's all. And cheese.
And cheese.
Shredded cheese.
Shredded. And toasted. What happened? No, don't pick nothing up.
I just did it. I'm glad I dropped that. It was too good.
What'd you drop? Oh, piece of chicken. You worried about that little piece of chicken? You got plenty of chicken there. You got a whole nother... Guys, he's got a whole foot long, okay?
Yeah, because I'm the king.
He's the king. He gonna eat it all.
I'm not even gonna give it to him.
Oh, did you just put a whole jalapeno in your mouth? Oh no.
That's the king.
Excuse you.
There's no one. Alright, but you don't need to know about this.